Hi friends, welcome to Guru Gyanam. It's all about home science and today's topic is fashion retail organizations. It's part 4th and last part of your topic fashion design and merchandising. I hope this is very interesting topic. You enjoy this topic and understand clearly. So if you want to understand better this topic, you must watch the previous videos, that is part 1, part 2 and part 3 of your topic fashion design and merchandising. Before watching this video, just take a look on learning objectives. After watching, you will be able to understand the fashion retail organizations, major divisions of a store, what is fashion merchandising task, and if you are preparing for a career, then what to do, and scope and career opportunities in this particular field. So let's begin. Fashion retail organizations. Fashion retail organizations is an organizational structure includes a clear understanding of authority and responsibilities for each job to be done. Organizational system differs with the difference in type of merchandise, size of retail firm and target customer. It can differentiate any organizational system. So any organizational system is depend on 3 things, that is what type of merchandise is available, what is the size of retail firm and what is the target customer of that organization. Clear? So fashion retail business is of 3 types, that is a small single store, departmental store and chain store. So what is a small single unit store? You can say a store neighbor to you. आपके आसपास के एरिया में जो स्टोर है, that is small single store or unit. It is also called as unit store. These are owners and family operated single stores. Here one family is operated that store for long time. One person, then their another generation, then their next generation, then next generation. Clear? Next is department store. It consists of separate sections known as department of that store, such as clothing sections, sporting goods, automotive supplies, health and beauty products, electronic equipments and so on. Clear? Some departmental store also have food product section there, yeah, food product department there. For example, lifestyle, pantaloons, Reliance Trends, Mac Fashion, Westside and all. Third type of fashion retail is chain stores. Very common nowadays are the retail outlets that share a brand and central management and usually have standardized business method and practices. They share a common brand. For example, the example of chain stores are Vishal Mega Mart, Big Bazaar, Easy Day. Clear? So these are the chain store. Forever 21, their chains are here and there. Clear? And they follow common standard, common brand. Next is major divisions of store or major departments of stores. There are merchandising division, sales and promotion division, finance and control division, operational division and personal and branch store division. In merchandising division, buying, merchandising, planning and control, selling and fashion coordination occur. Clear? Sales and promotion division are responsible for advertising, visual merchandising, special events, publicity and public relations. And finance and control division deals with credit, account payable and inventory control. Operational division is responsible for maintenance of facilities, store and merchandise protection, personal customer service, and receiving and marking of merchandising. And last department store is personal and branch store division. It may function separately if the store operates are very large, then its function is separate. That is called personal and branch store division. So these are the major division or major departments of a store. Now, what are the fashion merchandising tasks? In a fashion merchandising job, your task is to make fashion relatable to your customer. This is a very important task for a merchandiser. To do this, you may perform the following task. So if you want to prepare a career opportunities or you like to be a fashion merchandiser, first you must know what task you have to done. So these tasks are going to fashion show, researching and predicting fashion trends. Clear? You must working with design, planning and sales team, buying fashion, managing retail outlets, directing fashion photo shoots, creating store displays. You have to directing fashion photo shoots. You have to determining a store type of client. Pricing of garment, you must know that is based on quality and affordability of the customer. Finding the best price to stay within budget and to earn long-term profit, and developing advertising and marketing strategies. You must know what are the strategies you have to do to earn much profit. One thing you must remember, you have to remember that over all things, customer satisfaction is must. To earn long-term benefit, you have to satisfy your customer. Clear? So being a merchandiser, you have to know how to satisfy your customer in terms of money, in terms of product. Clear? So if you are preparing for a career, then what to do? The term merchandiser is defined as a person who do buying and selling of goods for the purpose of making a profit. With the growth of merchandising as a discipline in the fashion industry, the job profile of the merchandiser has become complex, demanding, and require many new types of skills. Tuning, for example, tuning with current trends in the market. You must know what are in forecasting of upcoming fashion trends, technical parameters like fabric and trim details, garment quality, deciding the sourcing strategy, communication and coordination with concerned people in the industry. So what are the necessary skills you require to be a fashion merchandiser? You must have a forecasting ability, analytical ability and communications skill or communication ability. Forecasting ability, it is an essential part of the career. This required a thorough knowledge of past, future trends and current future trends. A thorough knowledge of past is required, an awareness of how marketing of an item contributes to these fashion trends, and moreover, they must be able to keep well ahead of these fashion trends to capitalize on them in time. In totality, if you see, forecast fashion trends, fashion merchandising, stay actually aware of past and present fashion trends must required for a fashion merchandiser. What to be in, what to be out from the industry. Fashion merchandiser keep up with the latest fashion news, attend fashion shows, and communicate regularly with fashion designer. They combine their fashion sense with qualitative analysis to look how products have performed at the past and the forecast consumer demand for coming seasons. Next is analytical ability. A fashion merchandiser and marketers must be able to analyze the dollars and cents part of their job. Clear? So it is essential to have a good sense of style, ability to fit things into the budget, and meeting the functional need of the customer. For correct merchandising decision, one should be able to analyze a complex set of issues and choices like analyzing. This means that they must keep abreast of economy as a whole, the economy of their particular companies, and how certain styles will fit into the customer's budget. They must know. They must judge a complex set of factors to ensure that they make a profit to their employers. And last skill or ability a person must know to be a merchandiser, that is communication ability. Excellent communication skills are important for a fashion merchandiser. It is absolutely essential in this field, because if you don't have a communication skill, you can't be a merchandiser. They must be able to negotiate prices with manufacturing and sell their fashion choices to public. To this end, they frequently write advertising copy, press release, and even personalized letter to the customers. So learning these skills is only half the battle. You need to learn to utilize your talent and ability to network to have a success in the area of fashion merchandising of your desire. So what qualification is required to be a fashion merchandiser? There are different courses. Fashion designer typically need an associate or a bachelor degree in fashion design. Fashion designer who want to run their own business or retail store may combine a fashion design degree with a business marketing or fashion merchandising degree. So there are many diploma courses is there in fashion designing, fashion communication, fashion accessories, fashion illustration, fashion marketing, and fashion management. You can see very small word is fashion, but area is very vast. You can do diploma courses in these branches. There is also a bachelor degree. You can be a graduate in fashion designing, fashion styling and image designing, leather designing, jewelry designing, and communication design of fashion. There is master's degree also in fashion designing. You can become a master's in fashion design and business management, textile management, fashion communication, and fashion merchandising and retail management. So certificate diploma course is there, bachelor degree, postgraduate degree is also there for a fashion merchandiser. You must select these degree according to your choice. If you interested in jewelry designing, you opt bachelor degree in jewelry designer. Clear? You don't need to opt up to become a fashion designer, then you design the jewelry. Is it clear? So what are the scope? The fashion industry is enormous, and there are many great career opportunities for a talented individual. Career opportunities in fashion merchandising are endless. A career in fashion industry has lucrative income opportunities. Even the self-employment is also there. As a matter of fact, about 1/3 of professional fashion designers are self-employed because they earn profit. They don't need to do work with any industry, any export house, any and this, and you can be a freelance designer if you don't have to time to go outside to do a job, 9 to 10 job, 9 to 9 job. Then you become a freelance designer. You can do work from home. They use their creative gift and artistic talent to create unique design concepts for various fashion applications. Today's fashion designer professionals are in demand in a variety of industries. One must need to always equip with fresh and new ideas since market and fashion trends are constantly changing. So, what is necessity or what is must for a fashion designer or dress designer? You have new and fresh ideas in your mind. Means in totality you have to artistic, imaginatory. Clear? So these are the scope. Currently there are number of career opportunities available in these field. Some of the popular fashion design careers are visual merchandise designer, fashion designer, set designer, and interior designer. What is visual merchandise designer? They are mainly responsible for designing window display, arranging store merchandise, creating props and accents, organizing clothing placements, styling mannequins, and spearheading marketing campaigns. You can see here, this is called visual merchandising. Clear? When you go to a mall, आपने देखा होगा बाहर का एरिया, ग्लास एरिया में मैनिक्विन्स होते हैं और वो आप हर 2 दिन बाद अगर जाते हैं तो जो उनकी ड्रेसेस होती हैं, जो ड्रेसेस के आसपास विजुअलाइज होता है एरिया, वो बहुत ही डिफरेंट सा नज़र आता है. मैं आपको यहाँ पे एक बार पिक्चर दिखाना चाहती हूँ. जस्ट लुक हेयर, देयर इज सो मैनी बटरफ्लाइज अरेंज्ड and all mannequins wear some dresses is there. So this is called visual merchandising. Clear? So you can become a visual merchandiser if you are very creative, you have new ideas. Then you also become a fashion designer. They create designs for clothing and apparel. Some work with popular fashion designer while others manage their own fashion labels. You can become a freelance designer. You can tie up with a departmental store or any chain store to design your fashion. You can also do a job in export house. You can connect with a dress designer. Means you can do your job with association with any famous designer. Another is set designer. They conceptualize designs for movies, televisions, theaters, production according to the requirement of the script or the director. Some set designers produce unique sets for trade shows and museums. तो आपने बहुत सारी मूवीज़ देखी होंगी, आप सेट की तारीफ़ करते हो, सेट बहुत अच्छा है. लाइक इन जोधा अकबर, इन पद्मावत. So these are designed by a set designer. So you can become a set designer also. And one more option is there, that is interior designer. The main goal of interior designer is to perfectly combine from form with function. Their primary function is to introduce interior concepts to increase the beauty, safety, and functionality of a particular space of area. Interior designers work in a variety of settings, include retail stores, residential homes, office, hospitals, hotels, and many more. So in the fashion industry, there are a different type of merchandising profiles to perform different type of functions at different stage of fashion industry. Good fashion merchandisers are creative, ready to accept the challenges and willing to work in a fast-paced environment. This career is where business meets fashion. For those who have a passion for fashion and an appetite for business, fashion merchandising could be a dream job for them. So, there is review question for you. That is all about a fashion merchandising or fashion design and merchandising. Review question is there. Write down what are the different type of fashion retail business. Question number 2, what are the advantage of job in merchandising? And question number 3, enumerate the knowledge and skills that a fashion designer and merchandiser must possess. This is all about. Thanks for watching video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press bell button to Guru Gyanam. It's all about home science. Thank you so much.